This is Smart Object Detection with Distance Measurement Project. Since the device works completely offline, Wi-Fi is turned off. This technology will help blind people to detect nearby objects and measure their distance in real time. When an object comes too close, the device instantly provides an alert. This project also have OCR feature. By this, the person can able to read product labels, newspapers, etc., which make their life easier.
In front 0.5 meters. Warning. Object very close, person front 0.5 meters. Cell phone left 2 meters. Bottle right 2 meters. Person left 0.5 meters. Warning. Object very close, person left 0.5 meters. Person left 1 meters. Warning. Object very close, laptop front 0.5 meters. Warning. Object very close, keyboard very close, person front 0.5 meters.
This project also have OCR feature. By this, the person can able to read product labels, newspapers, etc., which make their life easier.
The Hindu https://www.thehindu.com. The Hindu, latest news today from India and the Hindu newspaper. Get 12 hours AG0 latest news on politics, sports, business, arts, entertainment and trending news. The Time of India //Kmado ja in Talmas com Bengaluru news, latest Bangalore news headline. Bengaluru News Toy brings the latest Bangalore news headlines about Dangalore Arame, Kangalore Education Nawa, Iwo.
The same technology can be used in hardware-based smart glass, using Raspberry Pi and camera to guide blind people real-time.